Apparently I've been cutting watermelon wrong for my entire life, so let me show you how to cut this. We are gonna cut this right down the middle. Love that sound. All right, so we've got two halves. They're not perfectly halved. That's okay. And I'm gonna show you what's up next. So I'm just gonna start cutting into strips like this, which looks pretty normal so far. But when you see what's coming next, it makes it just so nice and easy to snack on. And we're gonna start cutting this way, right across. So this is gonna make us these nice little strips that we can eat our watermelon. I mean, basically this is just a different way to cut your watermelon. Any way that you wanna cut it is totally fine, but I saw this on TikTok and had to try it. All right, let's see. Oh, I love it. This is such a fun way to eat watermelon. It's way less messy than getting it like all over your face like we used to when we were kids. I love watermelon in the summer. I would definitely cut watermelon like this again. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more cooking hacks like this, or any amazing vegan recipes, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.